Hi everyone, my name is Manusri. I am studying 9th class at Mathman High School, Vijayawada. I am here to tell today's Hindu editorial analysis on 2nd August of 2021. The two topics that were given in our editorial page are long overdue and elusive gold. We'll discuss the first topic, that is long overdue, in our today's video. Before getting into that, let's have a small look on the second topic given, elusive gold. India is still searching for a gold medal as the Olympic Games entered the second week. It means that India has no gold medal from the Olympics in first week. So now Olympics has also entered to the second week. Means Olympics Games has started last week, right? Nearly. So India is also still trying to get the gold medal in this Olympic Games, though it entered the second week, means it didn't. India at the Olympics has always been about feverish hopes, bruising anguish, and a few medals. Since its debut and the Games in 1900, the world's second most populous nation has ended up with either a single digit tally or none at all. That familiar tale is being repeated a week after the Tokyo Olympics commenced, and India is currently assured of 3 medals. Means India is always having a hope that they can win with a few medals, but there at this games in the 1900, the world's second most place, the populous nation, it has been ended with, means like either no reason, like a single digit tally marks, or there's not at all, if there's nothing. So the familiar thing that has been repeated is after a week, means a week after this Tokyo Olympic Games, they have commenced, they have integrated with the India, and they are currently going to assure of 3 medals that they may achieve. So already we have seen, right, the 1 silver medal was claimed by the weightlifter, that is Mirabai Chanu, nearly 49 kg category. Okay, so she has lifted 49 kg of weight, and she won the silver medal from our India. She's an Indian girl, Mirabai Chanu. Okay, still like this, many people has to achieve from our India. Well, let's get into our today's topic, that is long overdue. OBC reservation in all India quota medical seats puts an end to a discriminatory policy. First of all, what is overdue? Overdue, it means late, belated, or delayed. Overdue means late, belated, or delayed. Okay, what's belated? It means late, overdue, or behind time. Belated means late, overdue, or behind time, or also delayed. Okay, well, see, OBC reservation. OBC, it means the other backward class. Other backward class, OBC. So the reservation in all over the India medical seats, they have been to put an end for this discriminatory policy in them. Okay, reservation for students from backward classes in seats surrendered by states to an all India quota AIQ in medical colleges run by state governments was a long overdue. The centre's decision to extend its 27% reservation for other backward classes to all OBCs and moreover all for the seats that were under the AIQ is a belated but welcome development as other backward class to balance OBC interests with those of the socially advanced sections. The union government has also decided to provide 10% of the AIQ seats to those from the EWS. Okay, Well, first let's look at the meanings. So concord means agreement, harmony, or accord. Concord means agreement, harmony, or accord. Okay, so here, so AIQ, it means All India Quota, and EWS, it means economically weaker sections. EWS means economically weaker sections. Okay. This is almost entirely the outcome of a Madras High Court verdict and the efforts of the Dravida Munnetra Kazhagam, which approached the court with his demand. The AIQ is a category created by the Supreme Court to free up some seats from residential or domicile requirements in some states for admissions to their medical colleges. Introduced in 1986, the AIQ comprised 15% of undergraduate medical and dental seats and 50% of postgraduate seats surrendered by the states for admission through a central poll. There was no reservation in the AIQ, and once in the past, the Supreme Court set aside a Madras High Court order directing the centre to implement scheduled caste or scheduled tribes quota in the category. Okay, means almost all over the Madras High Court, they have mostly decided, means they have came to a decision that the efforts of the DMK party, they have approached the government with a demand that the AIQ, it is a category that was created by the Supreme Court only to the people who has the free seats and for the residential requirements in their states and for the admissions of their medical colleges. So this was introduced in the year of 1986, and the AIQ has also came with the 15% of the ungraduated medical and for the dental seats, which were of 50%, that means the postgraduate seats. Okay, so the states that were for the admission were nearly to the near the centrals. So there was no reservation for the AIQ, and the only one thing that was taken in the past is the Supreme Court is going to side with the Madras High Court in order for the directing all the SCs and STs, the categories in them, to implement those. You know well, right? SCs and STs means scheduled caste and STs means scheduled tribes. Okay, well, in 2007, the Supreme Court allowed 15% scheduled caste reservation and a 7.5% scheduled tribe quota under the AIQ. Meanwhile, based on the central law favoring backward class reservation in educational institutions, the union's 27% OBC quota was introduced in central educational institutions. There was no move to implement OBC reservation in the category. In the courts, the Medical Council of India argued against OBC's reservation, but the union government said it was not averse to the reservation subject to an overall 50% limit. The omission of OBC reservation in the AIQ seats was obviously discriminatory. There were OBC seats in medical institutions run by the centre, as well as state-specific courts in those run by the states. Well, let's see the meanings in this topic. So, keenness, it means eagerness, willingness, or desire. Keenness means eagerness, willingness, or desire. Domicile, dwelling, residence, or home. Domicile means dwelling, residence, or home. Averse, opposed to, disinclined, hostile to, or hatred or antipathy. Okay, averse means opposed to, disinclined, and hostile to or hatred or antipathy. Okay, well, it was in Congress that seats given up by the states to help the center redistribute medical education opportunities across the country were kept out of the ambit of affirmative action. There was even a case to argue that as AIQ seats originally belonged to the states, that the quota policy applicable to the respective states ought to be applied to them. The Madras High Court in July 2020 held that there were no legal impediment that the OBC reservation, but given that the policy varied from state to state, it left it to the center to decide the modalities for quotas for this pandemic year. And the center has now decided on the 27% OBC quota, but no before the High Court termed the delay in doing so contumacious. Well, see, let's look at the meanings. So, contumacious, okay, contumacious. Contumacious, it means refusing to obey or respect law. Contumacious means refusing to obey or respect law. Incongruous, inappropriate, conflicting, bizarre or absurd. Incongruous means inappropriate, conflicting, bizarre or absurd. Ambit, scope, limits, range, domain, boundary or limit. Ambit means scope, limits, range, domain, boundary or limit. Okay. Affirmative, agreement, acceptance, approval. Affirmative means agreement, acceptance or approval. Impediment, hindrance, obstruction, barrier. Impediment means hindrance, obstruction or barrier. Modalities, method, mode or paradigm. Modalities means method, mode or paradigm. So this is our today's topic on the long overdue. Thank you.